Hello everyone, I am Navi. In today's lesson, we are going to learn all about demonstrative pronouns. Now, what are demonstrative pronouns? Words like this, that, these, and those are demonstrative pronouns. Now, this and that are singular pronouns. These and those are plural pronouns. First, we are going to take a look at the word this, and then we will learn when to use that, and then we are going to discuss these. Finally, we will turn to the word those. Right? Let's get started. So just look at the first picture. So let's have a look at the word this. So here is the girl. The girl has a mobile phone. So when do we use this? We use the word this to specify an object or a person in the singular which is near to us. So the girl has a mobile phone which is close to her, which is near to her. And there is only one girl and there is only one mobile phone. Right? So this is a mobile phone. So we use the word this. We use the word this to specify an object in the singular which is near to us. If you look at this picture carefully, the mobile phone is close to the girl, right? So that's why we are using the word this. Now let's have a look at the next one, which is this. So now observe the picture carefully. Here there are two mobile phones. The girl is saying these are mobile phones. Now, when do we use the word these? We use the demonstrative pronoun these to specify objects or persons in the plural which are close to us. Again, if you observe this picture carefully, there are two mobile phones that she has in her hand which are close to her, right? Moving on to the next demonstrative pronoun, which is that. Now, when do we use the demonstrative pronoun that? Basically, we use this word to specify an object or person which is far away from us, which is not close to us, which is farther away from us. Now, have a look at this example sentence. That is a mobile phone. So, here the man is saying that is a mobile phone. Now, what is the reason he has used the word that? Well, he has pointed out this mobile phone which is farther away from him. So we use the word that is for singular, right? So this is why he has used the word that. So here there is only one mobile phone, not many phones. Here mobile phone is a singular word. So that is why he has used the word that is a mobile phone. So, an object or person which is far away from us, which is not close to us, in the singular, we can use the word that, right? So, moving on to the next demonstrative pronoun, which is those. Now, when do we use the word those? Basically, we use the word those to specify objects or persons which are far away from us in the plural, right? So here is an example sentence. Those are mobile phones. Again, the man is saying what he has said. Those are mobile phones, right? Well, what is the reason he has used the word those? The reason because the mobile phones that he has pointed out are far away from us, far away from him. right? So that's the reason he has used the word those. So that is for singular, those is for plural objects. So this is for singular object or person, this is for plural objects or persons, right? Let's have another example here. Here you just look at this picture carefully. So here this. So this is a box, right? The man has said this is a box. Why? Because here there is only one box. So he has used the word this. So an object or person which is close to us, which is not far away from us, which is close to us, which is near to us, we can use the word this. Again, this is for singular, right? Singular. Moving on to the another one, which is these. Again, so here these are boxes. So when do we use the word these? We could use the word these to specify objects or persons which are close to us in the plural, which are not far away from us, which are close to us. So if you notice here, so this is for singular and this is for plural, right? So this and this. We can use these two demonstrative pronouns for an object or objects which are close to us, right? Now again, let's look at this word that. Now when do we use the word that? We use that to specify an object which is far away from us. So again the man is saying that is a box. Now what is the reason he has used the word that? Well, the reason because the box that he has pointed out is far away from him, not close to him, which is far away from him, right? So, those. So, this is also a demonstrative pronoun as I said earlier. You just look at this picture carefully. So, here boxes actually, plural now. So, again, the man is saying those are boxes. What is the reason he has used the word those? Because these boxes that are far away from him, that are not close to him, the boxes that he has pointed out which are far away from him. So that's the reason. That is why he has used the word those. Now let's revise what we have learned. So we use this to specify an object or person in the singular which is near to us. Whereas these can be used to specify objects or people in the plural which are near to us, right? So this is for singular and this is for plural which are near to us or which is near to us. So we use that to specify an object or person in the singular which is far from us. I mean which is far away from us, whereas the word those can be used to specify objects or people in the plural which are far from us. So again, that is for singular, those is for plural, right? I hope everybody can understand this lesson. If you have any